lay some paver stones, and so I'm setting up a string line. So I need the string right in the center of this line so I can keep the line straight all the way down. Pretty crazy right here. So if this is flat or flush right here, and then I have it flush over on the other side, I probably have a good foot of dip. It'd be cool to see this with a laser, to see my elevation, to see if that side's higher than this side, which I do not think it is. So I want this string line to be right on this crack right there. As far as I can tell, it's not there. It's pretty dang close. Let's see, it needs to come in just a little bit more. Hey! It's not quite in the center. It's not perfect, but it should do. So as long as I don't bump this string, it should be fine. I could just keep that right on the line. So sprinklers are going, so hopefully my camera doesn't get all wet. I don't get all wet. Oh man, got me all wet already. So when you're putting in these pavers, just want to make sure you don't drag the paver like this. You want to put it against here and then lay it down. Oh man, like this. Put it there, lay it down like that. I do not have enough sand in this spot, so I've got to add sand to this whole section. I am worried that I am going to run out of sand. I'm pretty sure that's going to be the case. I thought I was going to have enough. I thought I was going to have too much. The idea with this is just get it super smooth. You want to make sure the sand is wet so it compacts. I don't have enough sand, so I need to add more sand here and kind of everywhere. What?
I'm gonna go mow, dude. You wanna come?
Yeah. No. Where are you mowing?
Who cares, dude? It's mowing, man.
I don't like mowing for other people. Just my own. Is that okay? You should be at the lake, not mowing. I should be mowing. See you later.
Buzzkill. See you later.
So that took me about 20 minutes just to screed these two sections here. So I need to screed that section and that over there before I can start laying pavers again, because I need to get these rods out of here, these conduits, and then I need to measure over so I'm getting my line straight. I need to measure about every 3 or 4 courses to make sure my lines are straight so it doesn't look like a homemade job. This is a homemade job, but I don't want it to look like it's homemade. So looks like I'm a little over halfway done screeding it. Everything nice and smooth. So there, that side's pretty well all ready to go to lay the blocks or the pavers. Now I just need to screen this side or screed this side. So see those butthole deer? Those are the ones that walk all through my stuff, and they eat my flowers. Catch those guys on the security cam constantly. There's an adult and 2 babies there. The way I'm laying these pipes just perfectly flat. So I pull the string line from this side to the other side, if you can see the string right here, and then cut this little block right here, and this block should go right below this string on this pipe. So use this rubber mallet, pound this down until this block goes right under that string like that, or maybe just barely touching it. Then I'm just doing the same thing at 3 different locations. Got a string here, string there, and string here. So that's perfect right there. So that's pretty well perfect. Barely touching right there. There. Oh, there goes the guy. So there goes the guy right there that wanted me to mow with him. And I'm like, dude, I'm busy working on a project. Can't mow with you right now. So that's good. So then after I get the elevation just right, I need to wet it down so the sand will compact properly. So look how good the grass is growing in. It's pretty green and got good germination. There are only a few spots that didn't work out so well. So I've done this whole paver project myself. The pavers portion. I did not do the excavation or lay the concrete. I did dig out for the concrete. I did do the concrete prep, but I did not lay the concrete and I did not do the excavation. But I have done all the prep work for the pavers. I'm laying down all the pavers. I'm going to put down all the polymeric sand myself. It's awesome when it's done. It's so rewarding when you do things yourself. When it gets done, sit back and look at it and see a job well done. So it's quite rewarding that way. That's probably enough water. I'm just going to come over here and screed with my board, make it flat. So there, that's done. Screed. I think the last thing I'm gonna do is fill in that little hole over there with some wet sand and the trowel. So you just take this little trowel right here, fill in the hole, kind of smooth it over really nice. Just take some of this sand, put it in the hole, that. Whoa.